everyone, it's Syra from Mindflows. In this video, I'm showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to select Monday.com as your back-end database with Softr. Let's get started. First, let's open our Softr app. Click Create New, Start from Scratch, and select Monday.com as your data source. Then click Continue. We have a pre-built template ready for us to customize. Amazing, right? Now, let's select our exact source by clicking Data on the left side of our page. Click the plus sign icon. Again, select Monday.com as your data source and follow the steps shown in this tab. Go to Monday.com, click on your profile icon, click Administration, and find Connections. Go to the API tab and copy the token. Once you have your personal API token ready, paste it here and click Continue. And that's it. You have now connected Monday.com as your data source. In the next video, I'll show you how to build your app using different blocks with your data source connected.